Silviculture, at its core, is the art and science of managing forests. This practice is crucial for the sustainability of forests, ensuring they benefit us and the planet for generations to come. But what does silviculture really involve? Let's dive into the fascinating world of forest management. First, it's all about understanding the life cycle of a forest. From the tiny seeds to the towering giants, every stage of a tree's life is significant. Silviculturists work to promote healthy growth, manage tree species diversity, and ensure forests are resilient against pests, diseases, and the impacts of climate change. One key aspect of silviculture is the regeneration of forests. This can be natural, allowing forests to regenerate on their own or assisted, where humans play a direct role in planting and nurturing on trees. This ensures that as older trees are harvested or die, new life is ready to take its place, maintaining the forest's health and vitality. Another fascinating part of silviculture is the thinning process. This involves selectively removing trees to reduce competition for resources among the remaining ones. It might sound counterintuitive, but this practice actually strengthens the forest by allowing more sunlight, water, and nutrients to reach the trees that remain, promoting better growth and reducing susceptibility to disease. Now for a captivating fun fact. Did you know that the world's oldest known living tree, a bristlecone pine named Methuselah, is over 4,800 years old? This ancient tree has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, reminding us of the timeless connection between humans and forests. Sustainable silviculture practices balance the need for wood, which is a renewable resource, with the conservation of forests as ecosystems. By managing forests responsibly, we can produce the resources we need while preserving the forest's ecological functions, such as carbon storage, water regulation, and habitat provision. In the end, silviculture teaches us that with thoughtful stewardship, we can utilize and enjoy the immense benefits forests offer without depleting them. It's a delicate balance, but one that is essential for the health of our planet and future generations.